Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to mix brown color. Brown is an international color. It is a mixture of one or two different basic colors. Brown color can easily be found within the neighborhood. It could be on steel metal, on wood, or on leaves. It could be the earth, dried leaves, or on peel of banana bark. Brown has different type of shades. It could be lighter,
Oh,
it could be on wood.
lang lapit sa one powder. Lalangan ba?
Maabi good ba oh? Uwa.
Brown is everywhere.
Kailan rin riskilid ba?
Those dying colors are becoming brown. Leaves that are fading
Ala kuyawan.
could one day become brown.
Ako man siguro ni sobra ate oy.
Dried leaves will become brown.
Ba man sila harmless ta.
Steel roof will become brown.
Kay maligo ka rin. Asa? Wa na oy, wa na sulod. Wa na lagi sulod.
Brown could be the animals, the wood, the coffee mixture, a man torso, and plenty of different types of cakes and pastries. Brown is sweet and inviting, and I will teach you how to mix brown color. If you are making art, then brown is very necessary for you. Brown is a mixture of orange and green. But if you want your brown to be a little brighter, you can add an element of yellow on the mixed brown color. Thank you for watching.